Welcome to PlayRoyal.com Moon Tutorial. To play the Moon game on PlayRoyal.com, once you're logged into your account, simply navigate to the Games tab. On the Games tab, you can scroll down to Moon. Select Play Now. On Crash the Moon, you're simply going to place a bet, select when to cash out on your bet, and then you can also stop your crash out bet for the live feed. If 4 or more players are playing at one time, you also get a bonus for playing the game. Select your bet with the minimum bet being 5,000 play or other currency with the minimum bet based off of the currency you're wagering. Select Place Bet. Once you select Place Bet, you'll see your name in a bet window. If the game crashes before you cash out at your place wager cash out point, then you'll lose the bet. You can use the auto bet feature to continue to bet, and we'll place another bet here. When using auto bet, you can see you can set the bet parameters for your cash out. Here it says stop betting if our bet reaches 400,000. On loss, you can select what you want your bet to do. On win, you can select what you want your bet to do. You can see our cash out was set at 2x our initial bet. You can see here we won 10,000 with an additional 20 play bonus because more than 4 players are playing at one time. On loss, we will return to our base bet, and on win, we will return to our base bet. We will place our bet, and by doing this, we are now in auto bet mode. Because our bet did not get in before the moon actually launched, we will have to wait for the next game. As the moon rises, you can cash out anytime. If you are in auto bet mode and you want to stop your bet, you will have to stop your bet, auto bet, and then stop your bet again in order to cash out. I will demonstrate this in the next row. We will place our bet. We can see our bet is here. We're under the auto bet feature, so we'll stop and then we'll cash out. This ensures that after you stop your auto bet and you stop your cash out, that you no longer receive the climbing race to the top before the moon crash. Here we will set our auto bet and let it roll 2 rows before we stop so you can see how the auto bet feature works. As the moon takes off, it will climb gradually higher and higher, and here we get it crash, and so we saw our bet at 5,000. We did not make 2x our bet, and so now when it starts over and the next crash starts or the next race to the moon starts, it will automatically place our bet for us. And you can see our bet is automatically placed, and so now we can actually stop our auto bet. This bet will go through because it's already bet, and then we can cash out whenever we're ready. We'll let it go to see if we hit our 2x again or if we crash. And so here, as you can see, we just hit our 2x and the moon continues to climb. Try your different strategies and try your luck. Enjoy Play Moon on PlayRoyal.com.